Industry. It all started right here in the late 18th century. This bridge, the first iron bridge to be constructed in the world, is a symbol of the first industrial revolution, which would transform our world forever. Fast forward 200 years, and we're now in a new industrial revolution, Industry 4.0. Atlas Copco are no stranger to Industry 4.0. Our products are found in the most advanced factories around the world, and we are driving this transformation. But we're not only making tools for smart factories, we are also developing innovative solutions that our customers can use in the field. Making smart solutions for the field is no easy task. The work is outdoors in remote locations and often in extreme conditions. Bolted joints are critical, with high torques, complex procedures and high time pressure. Customers want solutions that reduce time and cost, improve safety and secure that the right work has been done. Customer needs are changing, but the market is evolving too. The drive for more efficiency means bigger turbines, bigger bolts, more complexity and even more extreme environments. Advances in turbine design to reduce weight, maintenance and cost are driving the demand for smart tooling. Our customers need new solutions to ever-changing challenges.